Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm actually at a house and we're gonna be doing an inspection on it, see what the condition is like. It needs a lot of work, so I thought it would be a cool video to walk through the house while recording it, show you guys what we look for when we're buying real estate and what we're looking for during like an inspection, especially like an initial inspection before we get under contract. The whole process of like what our mindset is. This house needs a lot of work. There's some code violations and there's also some homeless people. So this is my boy Ian. Yeah, we're gonna be checking this house out. So show you guys exactly what we look for when buying real estate and what mistakes some people make. First thing is you'll see all of this. It definitely leaves signs of homeless people living in the house. You know, you see bags of food. So that's a big red flag because we don't want to deal with that on a renovation. So I'm gonna flip my camera as we walk into this house. The lady bought it in 2017 and she never touched it at all. So it needs a lot.
So the first thing would be the termites in the roof. As you can see, all the dust at the bottom. Those are the droppings of termites. If you see here, the wood is rotted out and their termite dust is right there. It's kind of like their poop.
And this is especially bad because this house is frame, so it's not a concrete block foundation, it's a frame foundation. So that means that these termites from the roof are possibly going below the house too, which is going to be a lot.
All electrical is exposed, which means everything needs to be rerun.
The AC is also falling off here. So we're thinking it's a 3-1 house. You see that there's a rent sign there and she's marketing as a 3-1, but we haven't been able to figure out like where the bathroom is. So this is, we think this is the bathroom here. But then if the bathroom's here, then this is the master bedroom. But this looks like external wall.
From the original house.
And then as we walk in, it's rough. So this is the bathtub, but we don't know where the kitchen would go because this is the outside wall. So can't imagine the kitchen going there. This is the first bedroom.
Oof. Water leaks on the roof.
Okay.
All new windows need to be put in.
So nobody's gone into the house though, that's good. Oh, look, there's like holes and stuff here too. This is the closet.
You know the guys are working hard when they leave the Modelos behind.
So I wonder what happened. They were like mid rehab and then just
maybe somebody called the city on them.
Yeah, somebody called the city on them because there's a stop order. So this is another bedroom. Oh, this is a small bedroom. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Probably 10 feet wide.
Dude, you get one bed right here.
I don't even think.
Dude, what? How is this a bedroom? You have to extend this out. But why is there a window here? Because that used to be a porch.
Correct. That was the house.
And then there's even plants like coming in through the windows. There's like, yeah, this is like a 2-1. So it looks like this was a porch and she built it in and that's why there's a window on this bedroom.
All those are just pulled. They look like they put new sheetrock down. Don't see any signs of water leaks on that part. But the house is fully gutted. They did try to renovate everything.
So this is a 950 square foot house. And how much do you think it would cost to fix this all up, including like roof and foundation?
Between roof, foundation, walls, and everything, you're definitely looking at the above over 100,000.
So the seller wants around 200 for it. It's worth, we have the ARV at 310 and she wants 200 for it. So the numbers don't pan out at all. And then what about with this floor? Could you just build over this?
You definitely can. This is never going to be flat. It's always going to have its curves. It looks like it was hand built. You can see you got highs and lows. It's definitely not sound. And as well as you need to make sure to see if the structure here on this plywood is strong enough to hold the bathtub and everything else. Whoever ran the electricity through here, it looks like a 2-year-old kid.
Oh, this wood looks like it's about to snap.
No, it did already. See
yeah.
All this snapped down from here. Again, looks like somebody pulled it down, trying to destroy it. You can see the addition in the gap here. The foundation just looks like it's going apart.
Yeah, so
more termites, more dust. And this is on the frame.
how much would it cost to get rid of the termites? You have to tent the whole house, right?
Tent the house and then redo all the woods that have termite damage. Like this structure right here, this is a main beam for the house. All this would have to be replaced.
Wow. Well, we're gonna walk over to the front, see the sides of it. The roof also needs a lot, but you just,
oh, here.
The whole house looks dilapidated.
As you can see, more dry rot. A lot of exterior boards need to be replaced.
But this looks new, actually.
Oh, the meter does.
Yeah, that looks nice.
It's probably the only thing that's nice on this house.
Yeah, the meter.
And new.
It's fireball. There's like so much garbage around the house.
The most important thing with looking at a property is if the foundation is a crawl space, or if it's a slab. There's many different types of foundations, and the most important thing with these ones is making sure that the bottom of the foundation is good. It's not dry rotted like the rest of the inside of the house, because 9 out of 10 times the foundation of these things are going to be all made of wood as well.
The front of the house, on the door, there's some stop work orders. The one interesting thing and the one thing that we like about this house is this right next door is an Airbnb, and then right down there is downtown. So it's walking distance to downtown. It's in a really nice location, but house needs a lot of work done.
You're really buying just the land here.
Yeah.
The structure of the house isn't really worth anything.
Even at her asking price of 200, which is 100 less than the value of it, we're really gonna have to be a lot lower.
You got fleas on you too?
Yeah, I think so. Is that what they are? Fleas?
Yeah, probably also what it is. I think it's the fiberglass from the insulation.
Yeah, I feel that shit on my legs. The sellers had a tenant they evicted, and then they were trying to rehab it, and the rehab just stopped midway through. They had a stop work order, so we're making an offer, but it needs a lot. But that's kind of like the stuff we look for when we're looking at houses.
Personally, I think it's just definitely needs a lot of work. If it was just the rehab on the interior with electrical and plumbing, those things are easy. But now when you have to do the foundation, electrical, plumbing, roof, walls, you're pretty much building a brand new house.
Yeah, and the termites in all over the house. Yeah, if it was a concrete block, it would be a little bit nicer deal, but because it's frame, it's a little bit tough. So that's what we look for. Hope this provides some value.